Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Family Homestead. Today I am going to be giving you an April 1st, 4th, April 4th tour. I wanted to give this tour the end of March because that's kind of the theme I was going with. Anyway, life happened and here we are the 1st of April, but I do want to document real quick and show you guys what we've got going on. Document for myself in the future of all the things that I've done so far this year. And you know what? Doggone it, sometimes it's nice to just go back and look to see all the work that I had to do. Like this area back here was destroyed a couple of years ago with a major ice storm that we had. And it is just now been getting cleaned up, like just now. And so I've started, this pile here may look like a big old pile of trash, but that is going to be my new composting site. I like to start new compost areas around the yard, otherwise I end up with a mother load of pumpkins. So let's get started on our tour and then I'll bring you guys back at the end and tell you goodbye. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. And if I don't hurry up and get inside, all of this is going to be falling on my head, making this a crazier mess. Until next time, you guys have a great week, and I'll see you then. Or, man, I've really been messing these endings up.